Hey everybody, Soybean Farmer. I think today is November the 2nd. Yeah, 2nd. Anyhow, I wanted to show y'all what I ran into a couple of years ago when I tried to break these bolts loose off of this. And that's what I had, was my 1/2-inch drive breaker bar and that pipe. Now, I weigh 184 pounds. Watch this. Okay. That's my full body weight on that. It ain't moving. And that's exactly what I got, I think it was 2 years ago when I tried to get this off. So it has sat out here and maybe got tighter. But let's find out what this Earthquake 3/4 inch drive extreme torque impact wrench does. Be right back. Okay, I decided, since I was using a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar and I've got these 1/2-inch impact sockets, and I've got the adapter so I could use my smaller drive sockets, I'm going to use the smaller drive socket and see what happens. Alright, that's that. That's off. Now, we were bouncing on that one right there. So, let's see what happens, folks. Here we go. Let's hang on tight to this. I'll be doggone. It broke it loose. It actually broke it loose. Ugh. I'll demonstrate. Look at there. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Let's see if it'll do another one. All right, that's, like I said, that's with the 1/2-inch drive. Got the adapter on it. Yep, that way. All right, let's try that one. Let's see, make sure the camera's involved. Hate filming something and the camera ain't on it. All right, let's see what happens. Spun it right off. That's a tough tool. I was bouncing up and down on these things, and you can see I got a right long breaker bar here, and it won't going. But the tool has proved itself. That right there to me is worth every penny I paid for this tool, to be able to get these big bolts off here rusted like they are and not have to cut them with the torch, because those bolts ain't cheap when you go to buying replacements. Well, there you go, everybody. Let's see if we can get a better shot of that. There we go. We'll bring it into the picture here. Let's see, I go something like that. There we go. That might be a little bit off. Let's start back right back there. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm impressed. Yeah, that nut is down inside of this socket. Let's see. Go back like that and go back down there. And that's the one right there that it took off. Now, there's the rusty nut you're looking at. And let's see. All right. Looks like I'm going to be able to give this tool, this Earthquake, a favorable review. Short video, folks. Everybody, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.